What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out another new foundation. Yes, we're doing another foundation. I just reviewed one. Get over it. But no, for real. We're going to be reviewing the Morphe new Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation that just recently launched. If you guys are interested in this foundation, then definitely keep on watching. It also came with a brush. So, a new brush from Morphe? Sign me up. Period. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. Be a part of the EXO Squad where we get lit on this side of YouTube. Now let's go ahead and jump right on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
So the name of this foundation is the Soft Focus Foundation. It is a medium to full coverage foundation with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and glycerin. It's supposed to be a long-wear, oil-free, natural finish foundation that hydrates the skin and blurs imperfection for ultimate soft focus look. I'm excited about this foundation, mainly because Vanessa Myers took the photos and did the makeup. And of course, you know, Makeup Shayla was also the face of this. So Black women is winning in 2021, and that's on what? That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. So I had to definitely pick up this foundation. I got it at Ulta, and it retail priced for 20 bucks. You get a total of 0.94 ounces. Again, 94 ounces. Of course, you know, Sephora has their new foundation as well too, which is very much similar, and that's 0.84 ounces for $20. So just a little bit more than the Skin foundation from Sephora, but at the same time, I think this is going to be a good medium to full coverage foundation, and I'm excited to give it a go. So the foundation also came out with a brush. This is the number 83 brush. I don't know if this is new or existing in their collection, but it doesn't look like some of the Morphe brushes that I do own currently. This looks a little bit more elevated. It kind of reminds me of the 47 brush from the Sephora collection, which has that wedge slop style bristle. So I'm kind of excited to go because this is my favorite brush from Sephora collection. Before they discontinued these bristles, they did bring it back with the new handle and the new vegan bristles, but the 47 is my favorite brush from Sephora collection. So I'm excited to give this brush a go. I'm going to do one side with the brush and then the other side with the sponge, just to kind of get an idea of coverage, blendability, and technique, of course. So enough information. Let's go ahead and move on into this video. Alright guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and primed the face real quickly using the Patrick Star One Size Beauty Secure the Blur Primer, and I already did the eye look as well too. So kill two birds with one stone, right? Right. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and do one side using the new 63 brush from Morphe. I'm gonna go ahead and pump it onto my palette. Do about 3 pumps. Might need less than that, of course. All right, let's go ahead and start blending. You guys already know. Okay. Okay. She's a little dark, just a little dark, smidge dark, but that's perfectly fine. But undertone is tea. I'm low-key here for this. Coverage is definitely medium. There are some hyperpigmentation peeping out. That's perfectly fine. Go in and just tap some extra coverage right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this side. I'm going to be using the Sonia Cash sponge. Yeah, it's just a smidge dark, but the undertones is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face just a little bit using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Quick Grip and Refreshing Spray. Then I'm gonna take my concealer, which is Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Dark Warm Golden, and highlight real quick. Next, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Tan, and we're going to go ahead and kind of contour the cheeks a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and blend out the concealer. So far, she's playing nice with the others, which is pretty good. Alright, let's brighten up this look just a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty Concealer in shade 430W. Specific areas. Alright guys, so this is the complete look right here with the foundation on and all the bugs and the jazz. Honestly, had this foundation on for about a good old hour so far, and she's holding up very well. She's powdered down. She's powdered down, peppered down, powdered down, peppered down, powdered down, peppered down, powdered down. She's contour, bronzer, powder, loose, press, all the goose. Yeah, she's powdered down. I think she's a really good foundation. Honestly, I think this is a really good match. She's probably going to be in my arsenal a lot more than Fenty should. But anyways, long story short, I think you guys should definitely try this foundation out. For 20 bucks, it's also a good steal from the brand Morphe. If you guys have not had a chance to go and get the foundation, please do so. I don't know if Morphe is giving the brush away as well with the foundation like Ulta is, but if you guys can stop by Ulta, you might be able to get your foundation and a free brush to apply the foundation. The brush itself is good. A friend of mine said that they prefer it for like cream contouring and bronzing because it literally gets right into the nooks and crannies. I might like this for like powder contouring or powder bronzing because this looks like it's going to be really good to like get into there. Another brush that I do love a lot from Morphe is the E58, which is also very similar as far as like the slop wedge, but this is more of like full bronzing and powdering ordeal. But nevertheless, I think this is a good brush to get for free with this foundation. Is a good steal. So yeah, 20 bucks, can't beat that. Plus you can use your if you go to Ulta, you can use the coupon to get $3.50 off of it, so you can make it even more cheaper than $20 for 2 products. You can't beat that, guys. You can't beat that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop over here and get myself into bed because I'm super tired and I need to edit this video for you guys and all that good jazz. So you guys made it this far, please hit that subscribe button. Join me here for my YouTube videos. I would love to see you guys in the next video. I'm a little loopy, so you have to pay me no mind. But yeah, I would love to see you guys here in my next video. If you guys have made this far and have not subscribed, if you guys have subscribed, thank you guys for being subscribed and making it this far. We're almost on the road to 5K. We're almost there. I would love to see it before midsummer or probably early summer. I'm going to keep on pushing it. I'm going to keep on asking you guys to subscribe until we get there. Alright, so I'm going to jump off of here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.
Yeah, I like it. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city.